Well, here we are. Welcome back to Fester's Garage. If I act a little goofy, I apologize. I may or may not have been pouring blended whiskey down all morning. So, today I'm just gonna absent-mindedly, half-assed, get this 389, which we went down south Missouri again, about 3.5 hours. Interesting evening. We won't get into it. Let's just say that someone may or may not have been a crackhead and shot at us. So I'm just gonna quick pull some of this stuff apart, and I'm gonna clean it up, get it ready for a little bit of paint, and I gotta get this thing slammed in that GTO. I mean, like right quick in a hurry. So let's have a little nip of courage and get started. Sorry, there's no music. I have not got my shit together yet. Just pretend there's like the Misfits or Tanya Tucker or I don't know, insert artist, whatever you like. Play it in the background of your place. Okay. Well, if I remember correctly, these were half-assed on. Oh, looky there. Isn't that nice? What's everybody been up to? I have not been on here very much. It doesn't matter. I don't have all that many people following me. If you're watching, hit like, subscribe. I'm not going to hurt anything. It's free. Oh, I was a good boy last night. I shut her down after a half pint. Went to a certain unnamed discount parts store. So, anyway, Saturday, I'm sure I'll be a complete mess tonight, feel bad tomorrow. It's so cold and nasty and drab out in Northeast Missouri right now. I don't really feel like doing anything else. So, this is going to go into 65 GTO. It's actually my wife's. And can't drive a manual, so we gotta, I know there's some guys out there, 65 GTO, you're gonna rip the manual out of it? I know, I'm just as brokenhearted, disgusted, and flabbergasted as you, I can assure you. Alright, so, we're gonna leave this stock. It's been gone through, allegedly, but it does rotate really nice. You can hear compression. It's had some fresh freeze plugs, that sort of thing going on. Oh boy, it was a treat to go visit, I'll tell you that much. He had more goodies laying around. These will kill you. Don't smoke them. Kids, don't start smoking. But yeah, oh, that's a 7/16. That's not what I need. I don't even know how I managed that. Well, what have I got? And I can't see shit because I'm blind as a bat. Don't do something, and like get glasses. That'd be dumb. So anyway, yeah, it's going to go in this. It's going to be a kind of a, I hate to use the term rat rod because it's not going to be a rat rod. And patina, that's getting wore the fuck out. So let's just say it's going to be unrestored. I don't know if I've got much footage on it, but it is a pretty solid car. We tore all the interior out. Half of it was no good, so it went in the shit pan, and we just kind of stuck everything, cleaned everything up pretty good, put it back together. Some new carpet, some professionally installed floor pans. Does the shop dog need out? All right, hold on, baby. All right. Nope. Go ahead, get. I won't. Probably gonna take a while to get these valve covers off. No. Man, Man, I'm glad I did this now instead of 3 hours from now. Shoe buddy. Well, I'm gonna have a case of shoe buddies in the morning. Let's take this off. You know, good thing I went to the gym this morning. Hi-ya! Stay with my back. Pontiac. I'm not a Pontiac man. I just flat ass me. I don't understand them. They're alien as... Well, they're alien. Now Buicks, that's something I can. And I don't have a single Buick out of all these years. They're my favorites. Okay. Man, I wish I understood this whole YouTube thing. Because, what do you do for background music? Someone's zip it down there in the comments for me, because I am fucking lost. Put a couple videos out with music in the background. Of course, that was Shithouse Never Drunk. And YouTube said, hey, don't do that. Okay. Tools and their uses 101. Use the correct tool for the job. Looky there. Now, I'm having pan out. I'm beginning to wonder about this alleged gone through thing. He said it ran. I believe him on that one. I don't know what that is. Okay. Let's get the alternator off. We're going to have to come up with a different setup for that, I think. Oh. That's where you're supposed to put tools and fasteners. You know, that way you can fuck yourself over later. Get out of there. Oh, that long one goes on that side. So, you know, me being an untrained mechanic and a habitual half-asser, you know, I'm just gonna kind of clean it down and throw some color on it. I'm gonna go ahead and paint the water pump too. Oh, just take that off. This power steering pump. Bracketry off. Yeah. Man, I wish there was some social distortion or something playing back there. Someone tell me, can I do that? Still haven't got my laptop hooked up, mixer and all that shit. So, wrench time. Great range. That's probably 16. Yeah. Basically, what I'm saying is I'm just not good at this. You know, I know I should be trying harder and all that good shit. What do you do when you're a dumb hillbilly? Besides hillbilly things. At least I haven't burned nothing down. Hey, I did get a fire extinguisher today. I don't know if I've mentioned it, but I'm an excellent welder. My welding instructor in A school said that I was the worst welder he'd ever seen in his life. I mean, you really got to be doing something to get that. Shit, where'd that go? That's all right. Well, why don't you get it? I can't see anything. They're cheaters. I just gotta get close enough. Again, let's put tools, fasteners, and like Dr. Doolittle. Now, he didn't wear glasses, did he? Oh, he didn't get anything. Oh, she's loose. Was finger tight. Where's the other one? Ah, perfect. Right where you can't get to it. Must have spilled Fireball all over something. Can't see it. Okay. Ah. Oh man, that's kind of a bummer. Pontiac, why did you guys do this? I mean, you guys are almost as bad as Chrysler. Which, you know, you see all, well, you can't see all the Chrysler stuff hanging on the walls. But I used to be more of a Dodge, like, square body truck guy. You know, what do they call them, first and second or whatever, first gen from like 70 something all the way up to the 90s. Am I right, wrong, indifferent? Probably. Anyway, I gave up on them. I had got mad, had a really nice Dodge truck, and got mad one day and sold it to my brother-in-law. Bought me a Chevy, and it's a 99. Runs great. Man, is it ugly. We're going to have a episode this week. What are we doing? Almost lost my cool. We'll have an episode on me attempting rockers, cab corners for the very first time on that style of truck. I mean, I've cut and monkeyed in stuff before in the past. I'm going to try to do this and run with me correctly as possible. Of course, I'll be drinking whiskey all day, as usual. Speaking of, courage. All right. I don't know why the coil bracketry is right there. That was a dumb idea. It don't matter. And I know I'm going to put a one-wire HEI Chevy. Oh. I'll get a little background noise. I don't feel awkward. I don't know what to do. Screwdriver. Yep. Oh gosh. No, wrong. Do it, Tripp. Keep up the good work. Get your ass. Well, what are you? Oh. Well, get. What you? We're just gonna call that off. I'm messing with the bear. Apparently. No. Yeah. That's neat. Well, maybe we'll just this probably won't work, and it's absolutely the get a punch, Kenny. Jesus. I ran you Bruce. You're gonna just tear stuff up. Yeah, that'll probably work. Hey! All right. Now, I should have been bagging all of these fasteners. But me being half drunk and stupid, yeah, we're not going to do that. All right, the oil's already been drained. We struggled getting the valve covers off. We're going to paint the water pump along with everything. Now, that is a new water pump. I do know that by looking at it. And he said it was. I don't think I'm going to pull anything else off besides, of course, the heads later on. I'm gonna save that for I'm toasty. That way I can drop one on my foot or something. All right, so off camera, I'm gonna go ahead and pull the oil pan and the heads. I don't have much time today. I've got this to do. I've got a windshield to do. And I'm gonna make a windshield rack since everything I have has a busted windshield and I've just got them laying around, you know, obviously because I want them broken. So long as they're better than what, whew, I need to get, it's like I'm pregnant. Anyway, hey, thanks for stopping by. I'll be popping in again soon. Like, subscribe, or don't. This is America and you can do what you want.